Hello, and welcome to this very quick guide through the lookup classes functionality that is available through MyACC. Once you conduct a search to look up classes for a particular semester and a particular course, you will have the results of your search displayed on the lookup classes screen. In this tutorial, I will simply describe what each of these fields mean on this screen, so you will be able to determine if the particular section that you're looking for works for your needs. So starting left and moving right, CRN stands for course reference number. That is a 5-digit code that every section of every course offered at ACC will have. The next column is subject. So that is the subject being taught. In this case, it is BIO, which stands for biology. The course is 111. So together, these two items comprise what's called the course ID. So in this case, it is biology 111. The next is the section number. Each individual offering of this course will have its own section number. So this first one is section 101. CMP is the campus field. AMC stands for the Littleton campus. Credits, this is a 5-credit course. Then we have the title of the course, which is General College Biology 1 with a lab. SC1 is a GT or guaranteed transfer code. Speak about that more in a minute. The days of the week that the course is being offered are then listed. Each day of the week has a single character abbreviation. M is Monday, T is Tuesday, W is Wednesday, R is Thursday, F as in Frank is Friday, S as in Sam is Saturday, and U is Sunday. The time, this is the start and end time for the particular course. In the case of this class, Biology 111, which is a class that has a lab component as well as a lecture component, you will see each of those components listed separately in this area. So the one of those components is Tuesday, Thursday from 8 a.m. until 9:50 a.m. And the other component is Tuesday, Thursday from 10 a.m. until 12:45 p.m. So this course actually runs from 8 a.m. until 12:45 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The next column is the capacity column. For this course, a maximum number of 24 students are allowed to take the course. Actual means that's the number of students who have actually registered for the course at this moment in time. In the case of this course, it is 3. So remaining is the number of seats that are open that remain for this particular section. So 21 more students can register for this particular section of Biology 111. The next 3 columns, which start with WL, are waitlist columns. Not many courses at ACC have a waitlist built, so anytime you see all zeros in the capacity, that means a waitlist is not established for that course. Instructor column lists the name of the instructor. If it lists TBA, that means the instructor has not yet been assigned. The date is the date range of the course. June 1st is the first day of the course, and August 5th is the last day of the course. The location is the room number. So if we recall back over on the campus, this is at the Littleton campus. The code AM stands for the main building and room 3160. The lab component is also at the Littleton campus. It's also in the main building, but it is in room 3130. And then we have attributes. This is where individual unique things about the course could be listed. So in the case of Biology 111, this is identified as an arts and science elective course. It is also identified as a GT pathways course. That's the guaranteed pathways indication that I referenced earlier, which in this case is SC1. It has an instructional program fee of medium, and the chart referencing high, medium, and low cost instructional fees are listed on the cashier webpage on the tuition and fee chart. And then again, it is a GT or a guaranteed transfer course specifically for the area of physical and life sciences. If we look, there's this first section, section 101, that is offered at the Littleton campus. Section 103 is also offered at the Littleton campus, but this is offered at different days and times. So it's a Monday, Wednesday course. There's section 104, also at the Littleton campus. But then we move on and we see two different campuses, AUC and ACR. AUC is the Parker campus, and you'll notice a room number, which has the abbreviation for Parker that precedes it. ACR is the Castle Rock campus, and you will see the ACR room number. And finally, there are two different online codes for the online version of Biology 111, and you'll see that campus code. You will not see a breakout of days, times, and separate days and times for lecture and lab. You will just see TBA because that is an online course. It is held asynchronously, meaning there are not specific days and times that you need to log in. There are due dates, but there are not days that everyone is expected to log in at the same time. That's not the case with online courses. And you'll see in the room number that it lists the online section.